Way to measure your body. Please make sure that you keep your body erect and straight. Also, make sure that you wear a proper fitted foundation garment. And make sure that you measure either in inches or in centimeters throughout the measuring. Way to measure your full body height. Stand beside a flat, even surface and mark the highest position of your head. Place the measuring tape on the marked point and measure till the floor. Way to measure your shoulder. Place the measuring tape on your lowest left point shoulder bone, passing through the nape till your right lowest point shoulder bone. Way to measure your armhole. Pass the measuring tape through your arm joint and measure the whole circumference of your armhole. Way to measure your upper bust. Pass the measuring tape on the armpit level and measure the whole circumference of the upper bust with a gentle ease. Measure the fullest part of your bust to achieve the bust circumference. Way to measure your umpire line or under bust length and circumference. Place a measuring tape on your high point of the shoulder, passing through the bust and measure just right under your bust to achieve the umpire length. To measure the umpire circumference, pass the measuring tape on your underbust line and measure with a gentle ease. Way to measure your natural waist circumference. Pass the measuring tape around the narrowest part of your waist, which is the C curve. Way to measure a short choli length and circumference. Place the measuring tape on the high point of your shoulder, passing through the bust and measure till the required length of your short choli, which is most commonly 1 inch or 2 inches from your underbust. Pass the measuring tape around your hemline of the blouse length, which is the circumference of your blouse. Way to measure the length and circumference of a long choli. Place the measuring tape on your high point shoulder, passing through the bust and measure till the required length of your long choli. Pass the measuring tape around the hemline of your choli length, which is the circumference of your choli. Way to measure the wearing waist circumference. Pass the measuring tape around the wearing waistline. Way to measure the waist to floor length. Place the measuring tape on the wearing waist position and measure till the floor. Way to measure your hip circumference. Pass the measuring tape around the fullest part of your hip with a gentle ease. Measure your thigh circumference ½ inch below your crotch level. Pass the measuring tape around your knee round to achieve the knee circumference. Pass the measuring tape around the fullest part of your calf to achieve the calf circumference. To measure your ankle circumference, pass the measuring tape around your ankle bone and measure with a single finger ease. Way to measure different sleeve lengths and circumference. Place the measuring tape on the arm joint and measure 2 to 3 inches for a cap sleeve and measure the whole circumference of your bicep. Place a measuring tape on your arm joint and measure 4 to 5 inches from the arm joint for a short sleeve. Measure the respective circumference. For an elbow sleeve, measure 8 to 10 inches from your arm joint. And similarly, measure the circumference. For a 3x4 sleeve, place the measuring tape on your arm joint, passing through your elbow. Measure 14 to 18 inches for a 3x4 sleeve. Measure the respective circumference. Place the measuring tape on the arm joint and measure 22 to 26 for a full sleeve length. Make sure that the measuring tape passes through your elbow. Pass the measuring tape around your wrist to achieve the wrist circumference. Similarly, measure your hand opening circumference. Also note that 6 to 7 inches will be added from your full sleeve length to form your churidar sleeves. The sleeve length varies depending upon the length of your arms. Way to measure different kameez lengths. Place the measuring tape on your high point of the shoulder, passing through your bust, and measure till the required length of the kameez. Kameez length till knee, till calf, ankle, and your flow. Way to measure your head round. Pass the measuring tape around the fullest part of your head circumference. This is applicable for high collared and high neck outfits. Way to measure your neck round. Pass the measuring tape around the base of your neck circumference. Way to measure your front and back neck depth. Measure 3 inches from your nape on your shoulder to achieve the neck point. Measure your front and your back neck depth from the neck point. For your heel measurement, measure the length of your heel either in centimeters or in inches.